Mense, goeiemiddag. Wees gegroet met baie liefde. Ek weet nie van wie hierdie gedagte is vanmiddag nie. Maar terwyl ek so ry hier op die N12 rigting Germiston, sien ek 'n lorrietjie vol trash, soos ons dit sal noem, trash. En die revelation kry ek dat as daar iemand vandag is wat my stem hoor, wat homself bestempel as trash, ek het 'n woord vir u. There is treasure in trash. If you were ever told before by whosoever that you are trash, that you have no value,
In 3 kilometers, at the interchange 429 Rietfontein, use the second from the left lane to follow signs for R21
that you have no
toward
purpose.
M41, Boxburg.
If someone has ever told you you are useless, news flash, there is treasure within your trash. If anyone ever tells you next time that you are trash, I want you to take this word and tell them with boldness that you are wonderfully and fearfully made in the image of God, and that there is treasure in trash. Be blessed.